Izikhungo eziholela ngezibonelelo zikaHulumeni, i-SASSA ne-Postbank zikhiphe isixwayiso kubo bonke abahola lemali ngokwanda kobugebengu, bokukhwabanisa, kusentshenziswa amakhadi kanye nezinombolo zabo eziyimfihlo. I-Postbank ithi lezi zigebengu zizenza izisebenzi zaleli bhange bese ziqola abahola izimali zezibonelelo zikaHulumeni. Zingena emakhaya zibaholele ophathe ukuthi bagcine bekhiphe amakhadi abahola ngawo kanye nezinombolo eziyimfihlo, i-PIN number, zenze sengathi kukhona ezikulungisayo khona ekhadini. Basabisa abantu ngokuthi ngeke bayithole imali yesibonelelo sikaHulumeni uma bengabaniki imininingwane esekhadini. I-Postbank isiqinisekise bonke abahola imali yesibonelelo sikaHulumeni ukuthi akukho okudinga ukulungiswa emakhadini abo amnyama kanye nasagolide akwa-SASSA.
Postbank will never visit your home if you had not invited us through channels that we have available. Postbank or any official from Postbank will never ask you for your PIN number, regardless of an issue with your card, that may exist or not. We are not allowed to do that. No one is allowed to do that. The PIN is your secret number that you utilize to access your cash to withdraw your funds. So this is a warning that if you are seeing that there are people who are doing that, please warn your friends, your neighbors, the community. Most certainly do report it to the police, and of course you can also contact us should you believe that these people are in around at your house, just to give us an indication of their whereabouts.